43 years had passed, and the guidance of our founder remains. Through thick and thin, through rough terrains, the university founded in the faith in God and love for the country has survived. And it championed its way towards unbearable fights. We have a founder guiding us up there in heaven. We thank God, therefore, for the gift of our founder. Without him, there would never be a university like ours. Without him, there would never be a beacon light in the midst of troubles and pain. Without him, there will be no hope for those who wish to dream. In these 43 years of his passing, we do not mourn for a loss. Rather, with great joy, we celebrate because we have a champion in front of God. We have somebody for us to whisper to the Almighty what we need to come victorious in our quest for success in this world of ours.